Hello ladies and gentlemen and boys and girls. This is Shin and you're watching Coffee Shin TV, right? So finally I got new machine from the HQ. So this is the decent Espresso DE1PRO version 1.3, which is the newest one. I'm really excited to use the group head controller. That's gonna make the decent Espresso machine to the next level. So I may say there is nothing on the next level from decent Espresso machine, but there is now because we have version 1.3, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox my machine, show you how we pack the machine and what it looks like. So let's do this. Here's my knife. I have to just take my invoice and things out. Yes. Oh yes. There you go. So we put the machine upside down. So what you're gonna do is take the 4 styrofoams out like this, and then flip it upside down and just lift up the box. Then there is another 4 styrofoams. Hold the edges and take the plastic cover off. There you go. And just put it in here. That's it. Our new suitcase. I'm gonna open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Unzip it. You ready? I'm ready. So let's do this. Boom! So let's have a look. So here is the machine, the body, and this box includes the USB cable and like blind portafilter kind of things. I'll just unpack it later. Look at this. Look at this. Here is the very new group head controller, sealed with a plastic. So I'll just take it off gently. Oh yes, that's the stuff, baby. This is the DE1PRO. So this is mirrored front panel, so I can see my face. Handsome looking my face. And Steam 1, pretty standard. And as this is the DE1PRO, so you can see the IMS screen like this. And this, wow, this is soft. And this doesn't get any like fingerprint on there. It's a bit, it's okay. Nothing bothering. And another thing is the water tank. So the water tank is gonna go under the machine. And here is the drip tray and new drip tray cover, stainless steel. So there is no stain. And portafilter. And this is the handle for the machine because the machine is too light. So we put the handle on here and then hold it so the machine doesn't move when you like put the portafilter in or take it out. And here is an Android tablet. So this is like Android version 8.1. So this is quite faster than the previous one. And this is the guide to put the stand in the middle of the tablet. And let's open this box. So in here I've got the power cord cable, 18 grams basket, and here's the USB cable version 3. Here's another box. What's in here is the blind basket to clean up the group head, and here's the silly stand. So this one I can stick on the back of the tablet. So this is the wax paper. So if I take this off, there is 3M tape on here, so I can like stick it on the tablet. And this one is the magnet, so if you put on here, it just holds it on here. I just stick the silly stand on the tablet, too easy, with a guide. Put it in the middle, and then take the wax paper off. There you go. And put it in the middle. That's it. Perfect. I can put tablet like this. Can you see this? Right? Like rip the plastic off. And there is a gap on here. Can you see this? In the spring. So put one edge on the gap and hold it with your thumb and then push it. If it doesn't go in, then just hit it. That is it. Perfect. I'm gonna put the machine on my table just right next to my version 1.1 machine. So let's do this. There you go. Water tank. Let's slide it. And there is a lever on the back which is this one, and this one is tightened by a rubber thing. So lift it up and then push the water tank in, and I lift it up and then push the water tank all the way in, all the way. That is really important. Okay, and drip tray and drip tray cover. So put drip tray on here and put the drip tray cover on here. Great. And next one is the handle. There is a screw on the handle, so you can screw it in here. And Portafilter. The USB cable. The connector for the USB cable is on the group head, so you can put it in like this. There you go. And then connect it on here. That's it. And finally, the power cord. On the back of the machine, there is a connector for the connector on here. So put this connector in and then connect the cord on any outlet or any electric source that you have at your home. That's how you set this is an espresso machine D1 Pro or Plus. I want to turn the machine on. For that, I have to fill the water up in the water tank first. So actually, before putting the drip tray on there, you have to fill the water up first. So I'll take the drip tray out like this and then lift the lever up. Lever is right here. And then drag the water tank out like this. I've got my water here. Pour it in here. Probably this much. This is like 1.3 liters, I guess. And then lift it up and push it in. That's it. And put the drip tray back on. Oh yes, there you go. And then I'm gonna turn the machine on. So the switch is on the back of the machine, and there is a switch on here. So turn it on. Then there you go. And then yellow light is filling up the circled LED. Then I'm gonna turn the tablet on as well. The switch is on here. And then you can see the LED lights filling up the LED. This means it's preheating. While I'm waiting for the preheating, I'm gonna start the app. Here, this is the first page that you can see when you turn the tablet on. And there is a little icon shaped like this an espresso machine. So tap here and you can start the app like this. And if you go to setting and app, and there is a code for the espresso machine, this one. So it's already connected, so okay. Then you can see it's preheating right now, and it's a bit more than the middle. So preheating has just done, then the red LED light is off, and then it's ready to use. On the version 1.3 machines, the USB cable connector is on here, right above the group head. So the USB cable does not get stretched, but just makes the like quite satisfying looking like shape like this. On here you've got group head controller. What it can do, what group head controller can do, that's the most important part. And the important part will be in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.